Welcome back, children. In the previous video, I introduced the Cartesian plane to you. In this video, we will learn how to determine the coordinates of a point. Let us recall that there are four quadrants in a Cartesian plane. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both the x and the y coordinates are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, both x and y coordinates are negative, and in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. Now, in order to learn how to determine the coordinates of a point, let us solve question number 2 of your NCERT exercise 3.2. Now, this is the Cartesian plane which has been given to you. The questions which are being asked are: find out the coordinates of point B. Now, for this we need to first locate where is point B in this Cartesian plane. Here we can see point B is there. Now, the coordinates of B. In order to determine the coordinates of B, we are going to draw perpendiculars starting from B to both the x-axis and the y-axis. Now, if we draw a perpendicular to the x-axis, it meets the x-axis at -5. And if we draw a perpendicular from B to the y-axis, it meets the y-axis at +2. So, I told you, whenever we write the coordinates of a point, it is like first we write the x coordinate, then we put a comma, and then we write the y coordinate. So, the coordinates of B are going to be -5, 2. Coordinates of point B -5, 2. Now, next part, the coordinates of C. Let us locate where is point C. Here you can see point C is there. So, drawing the perpendiculars to both x and y axis, we see that the x coordinate is 5 and the y coordinate is -5. You can see that the x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is negative here. So, point C is determined by 5, -5. 5, -5. Now, third part, point identified by -3, -5. Let us see where is the point which is determined by -3 in x and -5 of y. So, let us see -3 of x and -5 of y meets at point E. So, the point identified by this is point E. Similarly, point identified by 2, -4. So, x is 2 and y is -4. X is 2 here and y is -4 here. So, where does these two perpendiculars meet? They meet at point G. So, the point identified by 2, -4 is G. Next part, abscissa of point D. Children, recall, abscissa is the x coordinate of a point. So, x coordinate of point D. Now, where is point D here? Here. Point is here. Now, need to find out the abscissa of point D. Abscissa means the x coordinate. So, where is it meeting x-axis? It's meeting at 6. So, the abscissa of point D comes out to be 6. Now, the ordinate of point H. Recall that ordinate is the y-axis. Ordinate is the y coordinate. So, let us see where is point H. It is here. So, where is it meeting y-axis? It is meeting at -3. So, the ordinate of point H is -3. Now, coordinates of point L. Locate where is L and write its coordinates. L is here. Is it lying in any of the quadrants? No. But it is lying on y-axis. Now, children, if a point is lying on an axis, then one of the coordinates will be 0. On x-axis, the y coordinate is 0, and on y-axis, the x coordinate is 0. So, any point on x-axis will be of the order x, 0. Means x will have a certain value and y will be 0. Similarly, any point on y-axis will be of the order 0, y. Means x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will have a certain value since it is lying on the y-axis. Right? So, let's come back to our question of the coordinates of point L. Now, L is here. It is lying on the y-axis. So, its x coordinate is going to be 0 and y coordinate is going to be 5. So, the coordinates of point L are going to be 0, 5. Last part, coordinates of point M. Where is M? Here. M is here. It is lying on the x-axis. So, I told you on x-axis, the X coordinate has a value and Y coordinate is 0. So the X value is minus 3. So coordinates of point M are minus 3, comma 0. So I hope you have understood this question of exercise 3.2. In the next video, we will learn how to locate a point. Means if the coordinates are given to you, you will be able to mark that point on the Cartesian plane. Thank you.